This is our new ERB bag. As you can see on the outer packet, we have the packet 1, packet 2, packet 3, packet 4, and packet 5. We can open the packet 1. The packet 1 composed of Spingmo, stethoscope, scissor, and the pen light. So we can open the packet 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we will open the packet 2, 3, 4, and 5. And this is the packet 2. Packet 2 composed of ace bandages, sterile gauze square and triangular bandage. Packet 2. The packet 3 composed of abdominal pack and trauma pack. Packet 4. Packet 4 composed of general waste plastic, small sharp container, wax paper bag, and yellow hazard material bags. And we have the packet 5. Packet 5 is the one composed of a pair of goggles, assessment forms, black pens, disaster tags, pair of disposable gloves, plastic apron, release from liability forms, and transport forms. Yan, that is our 2, 3, 4, and 5 packet. And we can see inside the emergency bag. This is it. Yan, emergency. We have this one, padded longboard. Padded short arm board and long arm board. We have the young cover, and we have the support of the bag. Here. As you can see, there is a support. Yes. And we go to pouch 1. This is pouch 1, micropore, zinc tape, non-adhesive dressing, tender Satcot binds. And we have the pouch 2, bottle of povidone iodine, instant ice pack, and bacitracin ointment. That is pouch 1 and pouch 2. And now you can see the compartment. Compartment number 1 and compartment number 3. Yan. Compartment number 1 and compartment number 3 composed of micropore, cannula gauge 22, bandage, alcohol swab, band-aids, gauze sponges, giving set, IV cannula, gauge 14 to 20, normal saline, pair of gloves, Tegaderm, and tourniquet or Penrose. The same. Compartment 1 and compartment 3. And this is our compartment number 2. Compartment number 2 composed of examination gloves, half-inch micropore tape, 22 gauge cannula, bandage, alcohol swab, band-aids, gauze sponges, giving set, IV cannula from gauge 14 to 20, ringer lock tape, Tegaderm, and tourniquet. That is our compartment number 2. And now we go to pouches. Pouch number 3. That is pouch number 3. Pouch 3 and pouch 5, they are the same. Composed of non-rebreathing mask, nasal cannula, nebulization set, and suction cannula, French 14 and 16. Yan, we have this pouch 3 and pouch 5. Then we have the pouch 4. Pouch 4 consists of ambo bag, ET tube holder, 30 ml syringe, CO2 detector, disposable water soluble gel, and we have the LMA with different sizes. We have the oral airway and nasal airway, different sizes, and the tongue depressor. That is pouch number 4. Then we go to yellow medication compartment. There it is. Insulin syringe, 10 ml syringe, 10 ml water for injection, 10 ml normal saline, 30 ml syringe, 5 ml syringe, atropine sulfate, epi 1:10,000, alcohol swab, epi is 1:1,000, amiodarone, aspirin tablet 300, albuterol, respirator solution, nitroglycerin tablet, glucagon injection, glucose powder, needle gauge 20 and 23, and Ropinac injection. And the needle is there, the drugs is there, and the syringe here. And in the top of the bag, we can see the cervical collar.